Are you getting ready to create or launch a new product and maybe you're wondering how to build a sales funnel? Well, I want to share with you all the tools that I use in my business and in my sales funnels. Ready? Let's go. For the best advice and tips on growing your audience, impact, and income online with your creative expertise, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get my latest uploads every week. Okay, so I use multiple different tools in my sales funnel, whether we're talking about live funnels or automated funnels. I'll kind of tell you which tools are for which type of funnel. But number one, I use Canva for my content. So if I am going to create graphics, we typically just use Canva, and I own ivorymix.com, which is a membership, and we supply Canva templates to content creators, course creators, and other people who have online businesses. We create monthly Canva templates specifically for content. So we use Canva for all of our launch content and our visuals. The next tool I use is Zoom. So if I'm hosting a live webinar for my community, I use Zoom for my live webinars. Zoom is really user-friendly, and it also allows you to share to social media as well. So everybody seems to use Zoom and is comfortable with Zoom. So we use Zoom for our live webinars. But if I'm turning a webinar into an automated funnel or an automated webinar, I will use Easy Webinar for that process. I find the Easy Webinar is extremely easy to use. You can upload your video and create automated emails or a sign-up form or a button that people can easily click on. And it just is pretty easy to use and a little more affordable than some of the other options that are out there. So for our sales pages, I use Thrive Architect and Thrive Ultimatum. So Thrive Themes is a company that creates multiple different tools you can use for your WordPress website, and we use WordPress. And so Thrive Architect allows us to build customized sales pages on the fly and quickly and easily modify existing sales pages as well. There are lots of templates that we use or that we can modify, and we also use Thrive Ultimatum with that, and it actually locks certain sales pages so that we can use gated content or gated sales pages during our automated funnels. So if we have private offers that are only offered to people on our email list, we're usually using something like Thrive Ultimatum. Now, that's something we use. An alternative might be, if you don't use WordPress, or if you have something else, an alternative might be something like ClickFunnels or Deadline Funnels. Speaking of funnels, we use ConvertKit for our email service provider and our automated emails and our live broadcast emails. So in my business, we use ConvertKit, and if we're putting a countdown timer in one of our emails, we use a service called Motion Mail. You can customize a countdown timer clock and add that code into your email, and it's used best for live launches. Now, if you're looking for automated countdown timers, automated stuff to go in your emails, then you're going to want to look at Deadline Funnels. That's the most common used service for countdown timers that are automated for your emails. The other thing that's kind of unique to my business is we use WooCommerce subscriptions and memberships. So that's the cart service that we use because we have a membership and various different products, and lots of different products actually within our membership. So we use WooCommerce on WordPress, and we use WooCommerce subscriptions and memberships. But if you're just looking for a simple cart or a checkout that you can add to any page on your WordPress website, I recommend using something like SENDOWL. SENDOWL is an awesome tool, very user-friendly, and I've used it in the past. Now, one of the benefits of using SENDOWL is that you're able to create affiliate links. So if you want to create strategic partners for your offers or your launches, and you want to use a simple checkout like SENDOWL, you can easily create affiliates for your products as well. It's one of the reasons I really like SENDOWL. Now, I use WooCommerce, like I said, and we have an affiliate program on our website as well. And so we have a WooCommerce affiliate plugin that we use on our website. Now, again, we're still looking about what I use in my sales funnels. And so if I have an evergreen offer or an evergreen funnel or even a launch that we're doing, like a live launch, I utilize social media scheduling tools like Planoly for my Instagram content and Storito for my Instagram stories. So I use those two to schedule content, whether it's evergreen content or a live launch. Okay, so let me know in the comments below, are you a DIY website person, or do you have people or someone who helps you out with your websites? I'm kind of a DIY person, so I'm always curious to hear what other people are doing, and so I'd love to chat. What do you do? DIY or do you outsource? Okay, so now that you know, I've created a launch planner and content prompts for your launch, and you can grab that right below this video. It's completely free, and you can get the link right below this video. Also, if you're struggling to get eyes on your offer or struggling to get eyes on your content, you can join my free Facebook group in the link below this video as well. We support each other, and it's really a place where you can support others and get support for your offers and your content, and it's really just a great community, and we'd love to have you.